And we're back. And this is your KingYou in-ear cord metal earbuds with deep bass sound isolation. So let's check out these KingYou earbuds. So I don't know why you need an instruction manual. Cleaning cloth, clean up your phone. So traditional KingYou fabric type case. This is hot. So I just finished unboxing these KingYou wireless earbuds, which is really hot. I highly recommend them, even from an unboxing video. So here is the wired earbuds. Look at this. These are hot, man. Real clean look. I like the plastic. I like the way this is set up. Feels really good. Feels premium. Earbuds right here. 3.5mm jack. Slim metal earbuds here with a almost a piano black plastic finish, which is cool. This is clean. You got the control panel. There's a talk button. Wired earbuds. And you got a nice case. So whether you get the wireless or the wired, KingYou definitely got you covered. Let's see what else is in here real quick. Alright, you have a clip and you have a larger and a smaller ear tips. These sound incredible. The separation is there. The volume is there. The bass and the mids and the highs got that good separation, and everything is tuned just right. These sound so good. Let's take a listen. KingYou earbuds are tuned just right. They sound that good. I'm not joking around. If you just want good sounding earbuds, get these. If you want good sounding earbuds that actually have a nice look, get these. These sound that good. I am just totally impressed by the sound of these. There is not one negative thing I can say about these earbuds. They work just right. They look good. They sound good. What else do you need? Well, these are the KingYou wired earbuds. Nice look. Excellent sound. You can't beat it. We'll see you in the next one.